Hey guys, I'm going to do a very quick video right now on how to set up your charts. I'll also put links in the bottom of this article so you can read what all of these charts mean and how to use them, but I'm also going to do a video at a later date actually going into in-depth explanation of these charts and why I personally like them. But first, let's just get it all set up for you, okay? First thing you're going to do is you're going to be on your Ameritrade homepage. You're going to type in any stock you want. It doesn't matter. Once you select all these styles and indicators, it auto-saves, so you'll never have to do it again. As a trader, you've got this whole range here of timelines, everywhere from 1 hour to 20 years. But we are stock traders. We only care about the here and now. I want to know what the stock has done and where it's potentially heading. All that I care about are the 1 month and the 3 month charts. So now let's go and set up the chart. I use candlesticks, that is these little rectangles, and I like a linear chart pattern, that is this guy. So we've got that set up now. I will explain all of this much later, what these candlesticks are and why they're important. Next up, we go to upper indicators. We've got SMA, which stands for Standard Moving Average, and we've got Bollinger Bands. You can see over here on my chart, it's red. The SMA, the Standard Moving Average, is a 200-day moving average. That is this red line down here. You can also see the Bollinger Bands, which are these green lines. This is the top, middle, and bottom that indicate trading ranges. Bollinger Bands are super important for stock traders, so we can catch momentum and swings and breakouts to the upside or to the downside. Next up, we are going to set up on our charts RSI, which is Relative Strength Index, and volume. So that's volume right here. It just shows you the average volume, which is this green line that runs across, and then these two colors, which happen on my chart to be blue and pink. Blue is an up day, pink or red is a down day. And finally, RSI, Relative Strength Index. Now, if you click on this explanation, this is the explanation that Ameritrade gives you. The Relative Strength Index measures a security's price relative to its own past performance. We'll get into that much later. You just want to set up these three charts right now. I also like to have comparisons and events on my screen. I like to know when earnings have come out. I like to know when a stock's dividend has been paid and if there is a split, which is very unlikely. Companies don't really do splits frequently, but it still is something that I like to have on my radar. So that's a very quick explanation of how to set up your charts. Like I said, I'll be posting videos or links at the bottom of this video so you can read about all of these things. I'm also going to post a video later explaining all of these charts and why they're important. Please like and subscribe to this video and have a nice day. Thanks. Also, does the light hanging above my head make me look like an angel? Have a good night.